Our topic for today is laws of indices. 1. Multiplication law. When numbers with equal bases are being multiplied, add their powers. For example, 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 4 equals 2 raised to the power 3 plus 4. That is 2 raised to the power 7. 2. Division law. When dividing numbers with equal bases, subtract the power of the divisor from that of the dividend. For example, 3 raised to the power 9 divided by 3 raised to the power 6 equals 3 raised to the power 9 minus 6, which is 3 raised to the power 3. 3. Powers law. If a number which is raised to a certain power is again raised to another power, simply multiply the two powers. For example, 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 equals 5 raised to the power 2 times 3, which is 5 raised to the power 4. Product power law. When the product of different factors are raised to a certain power, perhaps in a bracket, the power is distributed over each factor in the bracket. For example, open bracket 6mn close the bracket raised to the power 2 equals 6 raised to the power 2 times m raised to the power 2 times n raised to the power 2. 5. Zero law. When any number or quantity is raised to the power 0, the result, that is the answer, is 1. Let us use this division law to demonstrate this. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 5. To express this is 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places over 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places. When they divide, the result is 1. 6. Negative law. A number raised to a negative index is the reciprocal raised to the same positive index. Demonstrating this. 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 7. We use division method, that is 3 times 3 in 5 places over 3 times 3 in 7 places, which is equals 1 over 3 times 3, that is 1 over 3 raised to the power 2, and that is 3 raised to the power minus 2, negative index, and it's 1 over 9. 7. Roots law. These are square roots, cube roots, fourth roots, etc. We can use two cases to demonstrate this. Case 1. When a number is raised to the power half, the result is square root of that number. Example, 9 raised to the power half is square root of 9, which is 3. 25 raised to the power half is square root of 25, which is 5. Case 2. Any number raised to power 1/3, that is 1 over 3, means the cube root of the number. Example, 8 raised to the power 1 over 3 equals cube root of 8, that is 2, and so on. Generally, n raised to the power 1 over m is mth root of n. 8. Fractional index. Given a raised to the power m over n, this is resolved as nth root of a raised to the power m, demonstrated as a raised to the power m over n equals nth root of a all raised to the power m. Example, if you have 8 raised to the power 4 over 3 is equals cube root of 8 raised to the power 4, that is 2 raised to the power 4, which is 16, and so on. Whenever you have this, first of all, take the root of the denominator and raise to the power of numerator. 9. Fractional negative index. Given a raised to the power minus m over n, this is resolved as reciprocal of nth root of a raised to the power m, demonstrated as 1 over nth root of a raised to the power m. That's why you have the answer of the previous one as 1 over 16. Subscribe for more videos.